Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to write a program that will ask the user to give a string or a sentence, and then our program will count the number of occurrence of a vowel in a given string or a sentence using C#. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. By the way guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. So we have here several comments here, and then I define a class of vowel counter class in C#. We will call it vowel counter, public class vowel counter, and then I declare two variables, input string and vowel count. So it is public, so it can be called anywhere in our program. So vowel counter, I initialize the variables. The first one, input string spaces, vowel count 0. So in this line, we have here the method get input string. We are asking the user to give a string, the title of our program, count vowels in a string using a class in C#, enter a string. It will be stored in this variable input string. So conversion to lowercase using the built-in function in C# for string manipulation to lower. And then we have here a public using for each statement. It will check the vowels. So the vowel characters, we have A, E, I, O, U. It will increment. And then we have another method here. It will display the string in lowercase, number of vowels, and the program and console read key to pause for a while and then display the result. If any keys was being pressed in the keyboard, it will stop. So we have here the main program. Okay, so vowel counter, we create an object here, counter get input string, convert to lowercase, count vowels, and display the results. Okay, as I said earlier guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for free in my two websites. Let us click the play button here or start in Visual Studio Code Community Edition. Okay, our program is running in the console. Count vowels in a string using a class in C#, enter a string. Computer science is an art and technical. Okay, computer science is an art and technical. So it will display the given sentence in lowercase, and then it will count the number of vowels, that is 13, and a program. Another example. I lived in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. So I live in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. We have 18 number of vowels. Okay guys, so I think this is the end of our tutorial video. Thank you so much for spending your time watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.